What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for this video today, we are going to be doing something a little bit different. On my Instagram, a few people have been requesting that I do a boy brow tutorial. My boy brows are obviously non-existent right now because I shaved my eyebrows off. So it's going to be very unique how I draw on my new eyebrows. So if you guys are interested and want to learn how to draw on eyebrows from a completely blank canvas, then keep on watching. So just to get this base started, I'm going to be taking the NYX pore filler and I'm going to apply that to the brow area and just blend it out. Going into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Taupe, I'm going to apply a rough shape of where I want the eyebrow to go. So I'm just going to be taking some light strokes and just lightly blending in the product in the inner corner of the eyebrow just to make sure that the eyebrow looks as seamless as possible. If you're going for a more masculine looking eyebrow, you really want to keep the eyebrow looking very straight and flat with a very minimal sort of arch. If you're going for a more feminine look, then you'd obviously want to give a little bit more of an arch to the eyebrow and just make it a little bit more soft looking. Alright, so now that we have the base for the eyebrows nice and mapped out, we can go ahead and set this in place just to keep it from moving around. So for this next step, I'm going to be taking a brush that has a very fine tip and I'm going to draw on individual hairs, and for that I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the shade Medium Brown. So just to add a little bit more depth to the eyebrow, I'm going to be taking this Brow Drama Pro Palette by Maybelline New York, and I'm going to be taking the middle powder shade and I'm just going to draw on some more hairs on the outer part of the eyebrow just to give the eyebrow a little bit more depth. Alright, so at this point you could obviously just leave your eyebrows like this if you like how it looks and just walk out the front door, but I like to keep my eyebrows looking very sharp and crisp. So I'm going to go in with the Ultra HD stick from Makeup Forever and I'm going to clean up underneath the underside of the eyebrow. Now just going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Contour Palette, I'm going to take the shade Fair and I'm going to apply it just where I put the foundation, just to make sure that it's nice and set. Alright, you guys, so this is the completed brow tutorial. At this point, if you'd like to, you can go ahead and do the rest of your makeup, but for this video, I'm just going to end it right here. If you like this video, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe down below and hit the little notification bell just so you're notified every single time I upload a video. And if you'd like to, you can also subscribe to all of my different social medias. They will all be right here. But yeah, that does it for this video. Thank you guys so much for being here, and until the next one, I will have to say goodbye. Bye guys!